Today, we're breaking down Kubernetes. It's one of the biggest tools in modern software, so let's go. You've probably seen it written as K8s, right? So, what's with the 8?
It's a numerinim. That 8 just stands for the 8 letters between the K and the S.
Okay, so now we know the name, but what does it actually do? It can seem kind of confusing.
Well, think of it like an orchestra conductor for software. It makes sure everything just works together. To really get it, let's look under the hood. Its architecture has 2 main sections. So here's the whole setup. You've got the control plane, that's the brain, and it manages the worker nodes. The control plane is the brain. It's making all the decisions about what happens in the cluster. Then you have the worker nodes. They're the muscle doing the actual work of running your app's containers.
Okay, let's zoom in on a key piece of the control plane, the scheduler. This part assigns the work.
So the scheduler's whole job is to find the absolute best home for every piece of your app.
It's like a real estate agent. It looks at resources and rules to find the perfect spot for everything.
So, how do you tell Kubernetes what you want? Well, you use these building blocks called objects.
It all starts with a pod. This is the most basic unit, and it holds your application's containers. But just one pod isn't very safe, right? So a replica set makes sure you always have enough copies running. And a deployment manages the replica set, letting you update your application with 0 downtime. Great, your app's running. But how do people find it? That's what a service is for. It gives it a stable address. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's that Kubernetes automates all the hard stuff to keep apps reliable. Basically, you can update and scale everything automatically, without users ever noticing a thing. When it comes down to it, it's all about running huge, complex systems with total stability. This thing is a total game changer for how we build software. So the real question is, what will you create?